Hello and welcome to Innoven Foods. Today we are making crispy chicken cutlet. Golden on the outside, soft and cheesy inside. Perfect for snacks, parties or any easy meal. Let's start the recipe. Heat 1 tablespoon butter and 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 2 tablespoon onion. Cutlets are popular worldwide in many forms. 2 tablespoon capsicum, 2 tablespoon tomato. Add 1 cup boiled shredded chicken. Saute lightly. Season with half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon ginger garlic. Add 1 tablespoon flour and roast for 1 minute. Pour 1 cup milk. Mix well and cook until the mixture separates from the pan. Milk and flour create a creamy binding base. Remove from the heat. Pour in a bowl. And cool down for 5 to 7 minutes. Add 2 boiled grated potatoes, half cup mozzarella cheese, and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix well. Mozzarella adds a mild stretchy texture. Grease oil on your hands and shape into cutlets. Cool the mixture slightly before shaping. Shape evenly for uniform frying. Beat 1 egg. Dip the cutlets into the egg mixture. Then coat with breadcrumbs. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Medium heat frying keeps cutlet crisp, not oily. Fry on medium heat for perfect color. Potatoes add energy and softness. Fresh herbs boost flavor naturally. Remove and serve hot. Your crispy chicken cutlet is crunchy outside and creamy inside. Serve it hot with sauce or chutney. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innoven Foods for more easy cafe-style snacks.